Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all feeling well. So there's a good news for all the Galaxy S24 Ultra users that the One UI 8.5 beta update is now available. So if you are a Galaxy S24 or S24 Ultra or S24 FE user, so there is a good news that you can now install the One UI 8.5 beta version. From the Samsung newsroom, it is now official that for all the Galaxy S24 series after the S25 series, the One UI 8.5 beta version is available now. But keep in mind that it is only available for some limited countries, while the other countries will have to wait for the official update. If your country is eligible for this new beta update, so you can go into the Samsung members app, and from here you will get to see the One UI 8.5 beta version banner, or in the inbox you can search for it and apply for the beta version. Then you have to go into the settings and tap on software update, then tap on download and install. From here you will get to see the One UI 8.5 beta version update. If you talk about the top changes that you can get to see in the One UI 8.5, so you will get to see some new icons. There are side-by-side comparison. On the left side, I have this One UI 8.5 on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and on the right side, I was having the Galaxy S24. This is how the calculator app will look like. There are also multiple other changes available with the One UI 8.5 update, so make sure to subscribe as I will soon post a side-by-side comparison of the One UI 8 and the One UI 8.5. Now, if you have bought the Galaxy S26 Ultra, so there's a good news that there are multiple new cases available from Benks that you guys should must try out. The first one is this Aurora from Benks. This case is built with Kevlar material. The material has a really good feel in hand, and just look at how thin this case is. This case also has this MagSafe compatibility, so you can attach all the magnetic products on this case. This case has a smooth touch and a lens protection with the elegant design. Because of its super thin design, it almost feels like caseless when you're holding it. The next first is the armor tint. It is the blue one, and I just love this color. It is made of the same material, which is Kevlar material. I just like the color of this case. This is one of my favorite cases, and I will definitely use this on this Galaxy S26 Ultra. With this super thin design and this beautiful blue color, this is my personal favorite now. It also has this lens protection for your cameras. I really like the grip of this material in hand. Next up, we have this armor grid case from Benks, and it is also made with the same material, which is Kevlar. This specific case looks really good with the Galaxy S26 Ultra in the sky blue color. The other cases are also good, but this one looks really cool with this sky blue color. And the best part is that it also has that magnetic compatibility. Now the last case on the list is this montage phone case from Benks. It is also made with Kevlar material, but it has some extra drop protection. As you guys can see, this one is a bit thick from the other cases. Also, the screen lip on this case is a bit better to protect your screen from the flat surfaces. This one also has that MagSafe compatibility, so you can use all of your magnetic gadgets with this. In fact, all of these covers have that magnetic compatibility, so you can use all that magnetic gadgets with these covers. So let me know your favorite cover in the comment section below, and the links for these covers are available in the comment section, so check them out. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.